Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today on the 9th of December 2025. So here we go. The setup is this. The market is not as frisky as it's going to be tomorrow with FOMC. So I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 40 and 60 ticks long. So we'll use our standard ATM of 16s, 30s, and 61s. And then we look for our strong candle indicator. Actually, could have taken this one right here, but this one was just as good. So we'll start down here instead of up here. Either way, they all pay brilliantly. So here it is right now. We'll go ahead and put the order on. We'll sell it down. And here we go. All right. We're in the trade, so I can speed it up a little bit. Stop is automatically where it's supposed to be. That's fantastic. And here we go. You'll notice when our first target gets hit, we will de-risk the trade completely and go for our runners. So we sped it up to 4 times market speed, and here we go. So really, we just have to do the sweat until the first target gets taken out. We do have a 4-hour moving average in the way, but first target's done. And here we go. So stop comes down to a break-even point. So we got 16 ticks on the first one, stops at minus 14. So we will pay fees and break even if we come back and have our stop taken out once our first target's hit. So second target's done. So we are now 60 ticks into profit. And we're at minus 14. So we can only make money on this trade. In most circumstances, we go ahead and take the trades out at the previous pivot. That's one of the hardest pivots to get through. But the setup on the larger charts was much better. And there you go, ran through 60 ticks relatively easily and took less than 5 minutes to complete. That trade there was worth 610 US dollars and was completed in less than 5 minutes. So if you want to learn how to make 610 US dollars in 5 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless, and we'll see you next time.